When the unexpected hits, every second matters, and the right gear can mean the difference between escape and tragedy. In this video, we're diving into 20 must-have survival tools every prepper should carry. From fire-breathing stoves and blackout-proof compasses to headlamps that punch through pitch and knives that double as escape tools. Each item is forged for one purpose: survival when everything else fails. Compact, ruthless, ready for action. Because emergencies don't wait, and neither should your gear. So hit that like button, check the links below, and share this with someone who walks the wild. Let's lock in and dive deep. When the wild turns unpredictable, the Dispatch fixed blade hunting knife becomes your lifeline. This 12-inch tactical Bowie knife is built for bushcraft, survival, and outdoor camping, featuring a razor-sharp blade and a non-slip handle for confident control in any condition. Whether you're carving, chopping, or defending, it delivers strength and precision where it counts. Paired with a durable sheath for safe carry, the Dispatch knife is rugged, reliable, and ready for the unknown. When versatility meets durability, the 17-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool pliers become your go-to companion for survival, camping, hunting, and everyday carry. Built with self-locking functionality, this multi-tool packs a pocket knife, pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, ready to tackle any task in the wild or at home. Housed in a rugged nylon sheath for quick access and safe storage, it's engineered for professionals and adventurers alike. Compact, powerful, and built to perform, this multi-tool is the gift that keeps on solving. When the jungle breathes and the silence tightens, this 17-in-1 multi-tool doesn't blink, it bites. Fire-starting sticks for the storm, saw for the wood, whistle for the signal, window breaker for the escape, screwdrivers, and a blade that speaks when words fail. It's not gear, it's instinct, forged in steel. Whether you're deep in the wild or caught in the concrete, this tool rides with you, ready to answer the moment things go wrong. No fluff, no gimmicks, just raw survival. Imagine reaching for your blade, not out of panic, but with quiet confidence. The NedFoss EDC fixed blade knife is built for that moment. With a razor-sharp 3.7-inch AUS 8 steel Tonto blade and a textured G10 handle, it's compact, tactical, and ready for anything. Whether you're deep in the wild or navigating daily grit, this knife stays discreet, dependable, and dangerously precise. When the forest thickens and the trail turns hostile, the Freelander Tactical Axe doesn't ask, it answers. At 15 inches of blacked-out steel, this tomahawk hits hard with a razor-sharp edge, hammerhead, bottle opener, and a clip that locks into your pack like it means business. It's not just a hatchet, it's a breach tool, a fire starter's friend, a last resort lifeline. Whether you're splitting wood, smashing barriers, or carving your way out, this axe rides with you, sheath on hip, ready to strike when the wild gets loud. When chaos hits, one tool stands ready. The Albatross 6-in-1 tactical folding knife is more than a blade. It's a survival system in your pocket. With a sharp edge, LED light, rope cutter, glass breaker, magnesium fire starter, this red beast is built for emergencies, camping, and everyday carry. Whether you're escaping, igniting, or slicing through the unexpected, this is your edge when seconds matter. Not every journey is smooth. Some demand grit, instinct, and gear that doesn't flinch. The vital 12-in-1 survival kit packs fire-starting tools, compass, wire saw, whistle, tactical pen, and more into a compact case built for chaos. Whether you're fishing remote waters, navigating dense terrain, or facing down the unknown, this kit rides silent until the moment it's needed. Then it speaks in steel, spark, and signal. lightweight, rugged, and always ready. Thirst doesn't wait. Neither should you. The LifeStraw Peak Series is your lifeline when clean water isn't guaranteed. Ultra-light, BPA-free, and built for survival, this personal water filter straw lets you drink directly from lakes, rivers, or puddles, removing bacteria, parasites, and microplastics with every sip. Whether you're deep in the wild or prepping for emergencies, this is hydration you can trust when everything else runs dry. When stitches aren't an option, precision still is. The Zip Stitch Wound Closure Kit is a game changer for emergency prep, designed to close lacerations quickly, cleanly, and without needles. With medical-grade adhesive strips and zip tie precision, it mimics hospital sutures in a compact, easy-to-use form. Whether you're deep in the wild or handling a home emergency, this kit gives you control when every second counts. No thread, no panic, just closure. When the trail gets long, hydration becomes survival. The Water Buffalo Oasis Hydration Bladder is built for endurance, available in 2 liters and 3 liter sizes, with a leak-proof design, insulated hose, and high-flow bite valve that delivers water fast when your body needs it most. Whether you're hiking, biking, or pushing through rugged terrain, this bladder keeps you fueled without slowing you down. Stay light, stay cool, stay moving. When the cold bites and the dark closes in, fire is everything. The Ferro Rod Fire Starter Kit delivers spark on demand with 2 5-inch flint and steel rods, waxed tinder cords, and paracord for grip and utility. Whether you're camping, hiking, or prepping for emergencies, this kit turns raw elements into warmth, light, and survival. No batteries, no fuel, just fire whenever you need it. When warmth is the difference between risk and rescue, the emergency Mylar thermal blankets 4-pack are ultra-light, space-saving lifesavers, designed to retain up to 90% of body heat in cold, wet, or windy conditions. Whether you're hiking, camping, running a marathon, or building your bug-out bag, these space blankets deliver fast insulation and first aid readiness. In emergencies or deep in the wild, fire isn't just comfort, it's survival. Meet the Bic Multi-Purpose Classic Edition lighters, trusted by campers, preppers, and everyday adventurers. With a long-reach nozzle, smooth ignition, and child-resistant safety, this 4-pack delivers reliable flame for candles, fireplaces, grills, and gear. In any emergency, cooking isn't luxury, it's survival. Meet the Solo Stove Lite, a 4.2-inch, 9-ounce rocket stove engineered for ultralight camping, crisis meals, and backcountry resilience. It uses gasification to burn twigs with ruthless efficiency and near-zero smoke. No fuel canisters, no batteries, just raw flame, boiling fast, burning clean, and disappearing into your pack. Compact, relentless, ready to roll. This isn't just a stove, it's a fire-breathing beast built for the wild. In camping or any kind of emergency, shelter isn't optional, it's survival. The Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent is built for that moment. A 2-person Mylar tube tent that reflects body heat, blocks wind and rain, and sets up fast with the included 20-foot paracord. Lightweight, compact, and loud, with an emergency whistle that cuts through chaos. Whether you're deep in the wild or caught off guard, this tent turns exposure into protection. Pack it, forget it, until you need it most. In outdoor camping, Quality sleep isn't luxury, it's necessity. The memory sleeping pad delivers 3.1 inches of ultra-thick foam and a 9.5 R value that traps warmth and blocks cold, turning rough terrain into a recovery zone. With a built-in pillow and fast inflate-deflate system, it's designed for tents, car travel, and emergency shelters. Compact, insulated, and ruthless on cold ground, this pad doesn't just support your body, it resets it. Because when the wild wears you down, sleep becomes your sharpest survival tool. In the wild, cold hits hard, draining energy, wrecking sleep, and slowing your edge when you need it most. The MalloMe sleeping bag fights back with insulated warmth, rugged stitching, and a lightweight, compact build made for adults and kids 10 to 12. It traps heat, blocks wind, and packs down fast, perfect for backpacking, roadside emergencies, or deep woods survival. Smooth zippers, durable shell, and all-weather protection make it a must-have in any kit. Because in the wild, sleep isn't comfort, it's recovery. Stay warm, stay sharp, sleep like it matters. No moon, no backup, just you and the NedFoss punching 1080 lumens through the black. This USB rechargeable beast features a zoomable luminous LED, red light mode for stealth ops, and IPX54 weather resistance that shrugs off dust and rain. Whether you're deep in the woods, under the hood, or on the night shift, it locks onto your hard hat or forehead and doesn't quit. Tactical grip, rugged shell, and a beam that cuts through chaos. This isn't just a headlamp, it's your eyes when the world goes dark. In the wild, there's no signal, no second chances, just terrain that tests your edge and gear that answers. The Cammenga Tritium Lensatic compass runs on radioactive glow. No batteries, no backlight, just military-grade precision that never sleeps. Waterproof, shockproof, and battle-tested. It's the kind of tool that doesn't ask where you're going. When the wild calls and the cold bites, the Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 answers with flame. This all-in-one jet burner system packs down tight, fires up fast, and boils your lifeline in under 2 minutes. Built for the lone wolf, the trekker, the hunter in the storm, it's not just a stove. It's your heat, your hope, your hot meal when the world turns silent. Stainless steel locking handle, piezo ignition, and a hard anodized pot wrapped in neoprene armor. This is survival gear that doesn't flinch.